If 3 men or 5 women take 26 days to do a work, how long will 7 men and 10 women take? Now, 3 men require 26 days to complete the job. Now we have W is equal to P into D into H, where P is number of people, D is number of days, and H is hours per day. Now, in this question, there is no mention of hours per day, so we can say that the formula is W is equal to PD. Now, 3 men can do the job in 26 days. So we can say that W is equal to 3 into 26, that is 78 man days. Also, we can say W is equal to 5 into 26, that is 130 women days. Now it is given here 3 men or 5 women take 26 days. So you can see that the time is constant for 3 men or 5 women. Hence, we can say that 3 men is equal to 5 women. That means the work done by 3 men is equal to work done by 5 women. Now, over here, 7 men and 10 women are working. Now we know the relation 3 men is equal to 5 women, and hence we can easily find out 10 women is equal to how many men. Why 10? Because it is given here 10 women are working. So we can have a ratio like this, 3m is equal to 5w. So x men is equal to 10w. You can see here 5 2s are 10. So this becomes 3 2s are 6. So x is 6 men, 6. So that means 7 men and 10 women is equivalent to 7m plus 6m. That is 13 men working. So now we can again put it in this formula. Now we know that W is equal to 78. Now number of men is 13. We want to find out how many days will they require. So solving this, we get D is equal to 78 upon 13, that is 6 days. So 7 men and 10 women, that is equivalent to 13 men, will require 6 days to complete the job.